Hi, I'm John from Autel. We're here in our New York offices at one of our training facilities. We want to share with you the exciting new release of our TBE200 laser examiner. Autel is first to market in North America with a laser-enabled tire tread depth and brake disc measurement system. As you've come to expect with Autel, we always strive to offer the newest, industry-leading technologies to benefit you in the service bay. We focus on quality, reliability, and innovations that help get the car repaired the first time, every time. The TBE200 has just arrived today from our production facility, and we want to share with you the very first unboxing. Let's take a look at the tool. As with many of our other products, the TBE200 ships in a rugged case that protects it from drops, spills, and impact damage. There's some information on the outer sleeve related to the features and capability, which we'll talk more about in a minute. So let's open the box. Here you have the TBE200 Laser Tire Tread Depth Examiner wand. Let's power that up so you can take a look at the screen. As you can see, it boots up very quickly. And though it's a relatively small screen, the text is very easy to decipher and it's easy to read and understand. So legibility was very important when the engineers were designing software for this tool. We have our pretty standard charging cable and power brick here. It also comes with a calibration plate that also doubles as a stand for the tool. The TBE200's tip is magnetic, so it could firmly affix to brake rotor surfaces, but it also helps it stand upright in the calibration plate. Even before a vehicle enters the bay, the TBE200 can decipher the condition of the tires and the condition of the surface of the brake disc. This provides service centers a great head start when evaluating a vehicle. Test specifications can be viewed on the integrated 1.65-inch high-res AMOLED display and later printed. The TBE200's powerful feature set can be used as a standalone device, but the benefits increase when used in conjunction with the ITS600 TPMS and service tool. Taking advantage of the larger display, we can pair the tools wirelessly and integrate the information collected from the tires and brake discs with detailed TPMS information. With the combined abilities of these two tools, we can provide the most comprehensive TPMS and tire health reports known to the industry. The TBE200 is so advanced that it can provide uneven tread wear analysis and detailed replacement and maintenance suggestions. We'll be discussing the TBE200's features in more detail in future videos. For more information about the TBE200, contact your Autel dealer or visit us at autel.com.